Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a really easy summer scarf. So for that we're using of course some cotton yarn, and that's perfect for warm weather. It's not going to keep you any warmer than you need to. It's going to be a triangle scarf this time, and the wool size here is 7. I will be using my 6mm hook, so it's going to be lovely to work with. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get started right away. So I have the So Cool So Soft Cotton Chunky, it's a huge name, 100 grams and 100 meters, 100% cotton. So I'm doing a bit smaller hook this time, so my 6mm one, and yeah, that's actually all we're gonna need for today. The color number is 8 if you want this exact one, and this is indeed from our last haul if you maybe saw that video as well. So yeah, let's get started right away. So I'm working it from the middle to the outside, and since we're doing a triangle scarf, I'll start with a magic ring. There, a circle, go through and pull the yarn up, fingers go out of the circle. And now we can start with 4 chains. Then a yarn over and a treble, and right behind it another one. Then 2 chains, so that's going to be the tip of our triangle, and then we will do 2 more trebles. So same thing on the other side, of course. Here is the tip with 2 chains. So we started with 4 chains, then we did 2 trebles, and then the same thing on the other side, plus a chain and another treble. So the last treble and chain are just to make it symmetrical to the 4 chains that we started with on the other side. So now we can pull the beginning to close the ring. And yeah, this is what we have for now. So I'll summarize one more time for the first row. So first we have the 4 chains we started with, then we have the 2 trebles, 2 chains and another 2 trebles, a chain and treble, and that's it for now. So I took a bit of yarn out of the spool, and I'll again start the same way, 4 chains and then turn. Here is where I go through, again 2 trebles. Chain. And I'll leave the stitch or the top of the treble, so leave that out, and do a treble into the second treble. Again a chain at the very tip this time, then a treble there, 2 trebles or 2 chains and another treble. That's always what we're going to do for the tip so that it can keep growing. So we have for now 4 chains, then 2 trebles around the same spot, a chain, then we actually skipped one here, and the next treble got a new treble, another chain, and around the 2 chains go a treble, 2 chains, and a treble. Now we will go back, so we do 1 chain, and we just want it as symmetrical as possible. So here we do the first stitch, and then we do a chain. Leave the treble out, and then here in the bottom area we do the same as here in the beginning, so the same thing. Two trebles, chain and last treble. There we go. And our row 2 is done. So I'll summarize again what we did. So 4 chains, 2 trebles and a chain then treble, chain, here on top 2 trebles and 2 chains in between, again a chain, then another treble here and a chain, 2 trebles and the chain and treble to end with. And that's it. So let's start row 3. Since this is pretty thick, the yarn, it gets really big really quickly. 4 chains, then turn, and then here we do 2 trebles. Chain, leave the next spot out and the following one gets a treble. Then we do another chain. Here the next treble, then again a chain, and another treble onto the next existing treble. So you see that the trebles always get new ones, then the chains we skip with new chains, and now we can get to the middle. So there we do a treble, 2 chains, and another treble. Chain, and then again we do a treble onto each treble we see and a chain onto each chain. This one we leave out. And now you can see what we have, so I'll show you the ending too. So let's do 2 trebles and a chain and 1 last treble. Okay, so we started with 4 chains, then we did 2 trebles, chain, and then trebles and chains all the way up. 7 total. So the chains here I count as my first one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then here the tip and again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's our row 3. So each treble will get 1 new one except the very outer ones. So the ones at the ends and at the beginning, so whenever you start and finish a row, those will be skipped and the 2 go always around the first spot when you start each new row, and of course the ones on top, treble, chain, treble, and at the end around the last spot again, we do 2 trebles, chain, and another treble again. Okay, so here I am. You can see where I started and how the scarf kept growing. So you see the additions on our sides and the lovely triangle shape. And I think it's already looking amazing, but feel free to let me know what you guys think. So due to the length, I'm gonna stop right here because this is all I have left. Okay, so I'm now done. I don't have enough to do another row, so I'll stop it now. And I measured. This has about 150 to 160 centimeters, so it's pretty stretchy. And yeah, in yards, that would be about 1.5 approximately. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know what you think of the scarf, if you like the texture, if you tried the pattern out yourself, how it worked. what you would maybe recommend. Or if you, of course, have any wishes for future projects, feel free to post those as well. If you enjoyed, you can also let us know by shooting a thumbs up, and if you'd like to stay updated with our other videos, feel free to click the subscribe button. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!